Now there's a few options if you're to set this up for CAD, and we'll go back over into QGIS. Sorry for the confusion, but let's type in translate into our QGIS, and we're going to convert our format. And let's go ahead and remove all of our tiles from our previous, and we'll import our new tiles. The reason why we're going to do this translation, so if we zoom in on some kind of object in our map here, so for example, this is one of the targets here, and this is out in the northeast corner of our project, and so you can see that the file sizes are pretty large right now. So for Civil 3D, then what we can do is we can execute a batch process here, and we'll just get our layers here. So we'll select all of our layers, add them, and then our projection we'll go ahead and assign, and then fill down, and the resolution here, or the no data, that's fine to leave alone. Converted file here, we'll just give it a name. So in this case, then we're going to do a compressed version, so it'll be 2025 ortho tiles compressed. And so once you have your compressed ortho tiles, then you'll just save this in here, and usually I will just call this C for compressed, and then we'll go ahead and fill with parameters the input layer. So now all that we need to do is make sure and run it. Sorry, there's actually one more setting before you run. Hit this little settings cogwheel here, and the type we're going to set to byte, which is going to put it out to an 8-bit image, and then the additional creation here, we're going to look for our, so you actually need a vertical bar in there. And now everything works okay. You can see the parameters that it's using is compressed JPEG, JPEG quality 75. What this is going to do is super compress each image individually, and this makes it work way nicer with Civil 3D. So after everything exports, let's check to see what the file size difference is here. So you can probably just get rid of anything that's blank tiles. But if we go in, and these are the tile sizes before, and then we'll look at the tile sizes after. So 12.9 gigs is the tile size before, and the tile size after is 2.38 gigs. So you can see that there is a huge reduction in file size. So let's just verify that it still is of decent quality. So we'll just drag and drop. Let's add all of our _C output to a group, so we can easily toggle it on and off, and do the same for our originals. So group 1 is our C output, which is the compressed version. So if we zoom in here on something that we should be able to see high detail, and we go back and forth between the images, you'll see there is slight differences, but it does not make the file unusable. It just makes it actually opposite. It makes it way more usable and way more compressed for your file size and storage. So let's add that into Civil 3D now.